In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a check register report in QuickBooks Online. This process is simple and can be incredibly useful for keeping track of your check transactions, helping you maintain a more organized financial record. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online and look over to the left panel. Here, you will see a range of options. What we're looking for is the Reports tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into a broader screen filled with many reporting options that QuickBooks offers. These reports allow you to gain insights into your finances, which is crucial for managing your business effectively. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll find that it defaults to the Standard Reports tab. This is exactly where we want to be, so no need to change anything here. Take a moment to explore if you'd like, but for now, our focus is on locating the report pertinent to check transactions. To move forward, you'll want to utilize the search functionality provided on this page. Type in check details in the search bar. By doing this, you're telling QuickBooks exactly what you want, and it will promptly show you the option you're looking for. Go ahead and click on the check details once it appears in the results. This is the report that compiles all your check transactions into one comprehensive list. QuickBooks will now automatically generate the report for you. At this point, you should see a list of all your check transactions displayed on your screen. It's a powerful and organized overview, enabling you to keep track of each transaction, which is beneficial for managing your books, ensuring accuracy, and staying informed about your business's financial health. Sometimes, you might notice that the report is either empty or not showing the transactions you expected to see. If that's the case, it's likely due to the report period being set incorrectly. You can easily adjust this by changing the report period, which is usually located somewhere near the top of the report. Make sure the dates cover the time frame for which you want to review your check transactions. Once you've modified the period, the report should update automatically, reflecting the data you're interested in. And there you have it, a fully customized check register report right at your fingertips. This report not only helps you track checks, but also ensures that any discrepancies are addressed promptly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to look out for more tips and tutorials to help streamline your QuickBooks experience and keep your business finances in check. Until next time, take care and happy bookkeeping.